All right, guys, we got something special for you today that you guys don't usually see. True dual, a Lincoln MKX all-wheel drive, 3.7 liter. There she is. It's really pretty. What we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it comes true dual already from the factory. Then we left the factory resonator. He didn't want any drone, but he wanted sound. So we told him we'll leave the factory resonator on it for now and see how he likes it. He's got a nice drive home, a long drive. So he's gonna test it out. And if he doesn't like it, then he'll come back and we'll put some flow FXs on it. Then it's 2-inch pipe all the way back. Then we continued it with 2 1/4 out the back where we deleted that huge, gigantic muffler right there. And then, of course, our passion, we put 5-inch tips to fit the gap really nicely in the bumper. As you guys can see, it comes out really nice, really clean. And it shows that something's been done to this car. And there's the old muffler that came on it. It's gigantic, like I was telling you. It winds into a single like that. I don't know why they even do that. That's stupid. That's so much better. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, sharing is caring. So make sure you share and subscribe. Go on louder. Because there's the sound decibels. Again. Sound decibels. 95, it's not even 100. Wow. Again. Then leave it like this. If you're gonna want to, yeah, leave it like that. You'll be happy with it. Oh, I thought you wanted it louder. You're gonna barely hear it inside, because I know that from anything under 100, you barely hear inside. Give it gas again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lincoln MKX all-wheel drive. There's a gigantic muffler. Ugh. We don't like it. There it is after, with 5-inch tips, of course. There's a fiber. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. It's deep.